Hi everyone, welcome back. I have been working on the walking stick. So there's a notch that's missing. I cut up a couple of them. There's one that's missing. I got the bottom cut. Yep, got the bottom cut. I think I'm going to leave these little ones on here since they're towards the bottom. They don't bother me. I really love this stick. Look at that. See, it's a good walking stick because it's thin, not round. Well, it's round at the bottom. Only at the bottom. But then it gets thin. See? I love this. Now, I see the split. I don't care about the split. No, don't care. The top broke off too, a little bit of it. And I'm going to leave this one here as well. So, let's see. It's a little shorter now. It's about 4.5 feet tall is where it's at. Yeah, not bad. I've got the leather and I've got some old beads from jewelry and other things, projects that have fallen apart over time. So I'm going to start sanding it down. Probably going to give it its first sanding today. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I think this is mesquite. I'm not sure. I may have to double check. But like I said, look at the thin. Isn't it neat? This is the first one I have found. And I'm really happy that I found it in our backyard. It means a lot to me. It's from the house, from the desert. So, just giving you a really good look. Cut off a few knobs. I cut off the bottom so that it's even now. A part of the top fell off. And this is where I'm going to attach the leather, the beads. And because of the flatness, I'm going to glue some of my rocks on here too. Which ones, what shapes, how they're going to look, and where I'm going to glue them on, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure, but I am going to use E6000, and I will make sure that they stick. I'm going to tie some leather around this notch, probably around the whole top as well, and let them hang down with some beads. So beads, rocks, leather, sanding it down. I'm going to be coating it with polyurethane or something waterproof. I need to do some research on that. I've never made one of these. Never made my own walking stick, so I need to follow other people's advice and figure out what's going to work well. But I thought I would show you the progress on the walking stick. I think it's doing really well, and it's coming out nice, a little bit at a time. And I'll be using this walking stick when I'm not on my live streams. So, just wanted to show you a little bit of progress. Thanks everyone for continuing to watch the Minty Vegetable channel. Have a great day.